Okay, so in this video we've got ourselves a skybox. It's essentially a satellite box. What we're going to do is we're going to be tearing it down and removing the hard drive out of it. Reason being is the hard drive is a 2 TB one, so I've got use for that, so I'm just going to take that out and have that. But yeah, not a bad price. It only cost me £7.50, so quite happy with that. Hopefully it works. Not a skybox hard drive obviously, but I'll give it a good test and see how good it is. To undo this one, we do need to remove the 4 screws that are at the bottom of it that sort of hold the plastic housing on. Once you've removed those and you take off the plastic grills, you should be able to lift it up, and it does come out a certain way, kind of like the PlayStation 4 lids. Sort of got to pop them off a certain way, so once we get that off we'll be able to see the metal housing. And now we've got the plastic housing off, you can see sort of the top of the metal housing. We've got the button board, the Wi-Fi board, and also the sort of main remote control receiver and all that jazz at the front, LEDs and whatnot. So we're just going to get all them removed. Once they're removed, when I step further on this one's already preempted myself and got rid of all the started unscrewing the screws at the back before I took the lid off, but you can actually access the whole of it without undoing any more than the 4 screws. But then we're going to peel the metal tabs back so that we can actually get the lid off, and then we'll be able to see the hard drive and everything else that's in there. There are also them same metal tabs on the front as well. You do kind of need to undo those and take that off as well, because there's a screw or 2 hidden underneath beyond that board that's holding the hard drive in. That's if your intention is to get the hard drive out, of course. And now I've removed all that I want to remove. Just going to lift the lid up, make sure I don't sort of catch these cables here, or make sure they're not in my way. And now we can see the inside. So we've got obviously the fan, the hard drive, we've got its power board, and we've got its brain board. Obviously you've got to take the brain box out to be able to get to the hard drive. Your power board though, that doesn't need to go anywhere, that's alright to stay there. So we're just going to undo the SATA cables, get the rest of it unscrewed, and we should have our hard drive. Okay, now we've got the drive out, just going to have a look at it, just going to give it a smart test and just sort of see what that comes up with. So far it's saying the disk is okay. From the looks of it, it's got nothing on the read error rate, which is good. Fair amount on its start stop count, but seek error rate is 0. And what else have we got? Reallocation count 0, current pending sector count 0 sectors, uncorrectable sector count again 0, and UDM UDMA CRC error rate is also 0, as well as the write error rate. So not the best drive in the world. Obviously it's not brand new, but good enough to use for the moment. But that's enough anyway. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Please like and subscribe for more.